We're at the Grand Palladium, Punta Cana. This is the kids area pool. Super cute with the rainbow slide, the mermaid, the pirate ship, the little turtle right here. And you have the slides over there. Really nice area to relax. Over here is the pool for everybody in the family. With the palapas for shade. Got the swim up bar straight ahead. And this is the Grand Palladium Punta Cana. This is the most family friendly of all the Grand Palladium complex. Over there is the Fortress, that's the kids club. And the kids club is really interesting, so call us about that so we can give you the details on the kids club that I think you'll appreciate.
Hi, Sean, KBS Travel. 6316 at the Grand Palladium. We're doing a loft suite in Punta Cana, the Grand Palladium Punta Cana Resort and Spa. So when you walk in, you got the ironing board, robe, slippers, scale, iron, safe, really nice storage, but you know what? That looks like an issue.
There you go.
Okay, so get that. Electrical box. Man, take them in the bathroom, go ahead. This is nice. Suitcase, little seat here to put your shoes on and stuff, and sturdy, not like those cheap racks that we talk about. These rooms, this property, the Grand Palladium, has just been refurbished, so it's the most modern, up-to-date property that's family friendly. This property has 3 properties on there, plus an adults only TRS Turquesa, which is fantastic. I have videos of that. So you want a really good value all inclusive. That's one. Grand Palladium products, I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure if you want to see where they're made. Right there, you can read the white over that. What do you think?
That doesn't say.
Okay. I know a lot of our clients want to know if the products are made in China or not, and we try to keep up on that, but I can't tell them there. So if you're picky, bring your own products, your hair, shampoo and a conditioner. So it's got a see-through soaking tub and shower, but if you want the privacy, you just close this right here. And you're gonna get that privacy. This room is really neat. Wait till you guys see what's
I
over
can still
here.
smell the new paint.
Yeah, nice. TV and workstation. What we got here? Let's see the mini bar. I like to look at mini bars. That's our thing. We like to show you what's in the mini bar. What we got is bottles. That's nice. We got Budweiser, Presidente, Coca-Cola products. We got a little pack of peanuts, bottled water, very nice. Coffee, Santo Domingo coffee. I was told it's really good. Really nice counter here. Big, huge king bed. It's like a California king, I think. Right? Does it look like
Big,
that?
yeah.
So, here, look at this. It's a loft. So upstairs we have a living room area, but that is a pull-out sofa. This room sleeps 4. Call me. I can get you connecting rooms too if you need them. But you got to do it a certain way. You got to put the 2 certain rooms together. So let's go up and check it out. It's nice. Kids will love it up here. You got their own TV, own bathroom, another bathroom up here. How nice is that? This is a neat room. And it's clean. I'm seeing nothing. I see a beautiful sofa. I'm seeing no...
It's brand new.
Yeah, I'm seeing no issues. So,
Is that another bar?
no.
Is this storage?
Storage, stool, desk area. The kids can still do their homework when they take off of school. You know, to go on their vacation, because that's when you get good value
Cute
times.
sink. It's a cute little bathroom.
Absolutely. This is a loft suite. This is KVS Travel, Sean and Amanda. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up on our rooms. When you subscribe for the first time, I'll give you something off your vacation. I'm going to show you the balcony. Hold on a second. So, KVS Travel, Caribbean, ocean cruises, river cruises, Disney, Universal, and Hawaii. That's our specialties. Please be considerate. If you book with somebody and you can't get an answer from them, please don't call me unless you're going to cancel with them because they don't know what they're talking about. Because if you can't get an answer with your travel agent or your online company, you probably made a mistake. When you book online with companies, there's a really solid chance you might get downgraded. And you're not going to get any service. Every single call, 100%, will be outsourced outside of the United States. Our calls come all to me and Amanda, and all your money is processed, your credit cards, through American companies. So nothing is offshored, so there's security there. We take care of everything from your room, trip, insurance, transfers, the whole 9 yards. KVS Travel, Sean at kvstravel.com, 610-334-1917. Please don't message me on Facebook. We don't go in there too often. Let's show you the balcony. These rooms don't come with any ocean views because the property is a 4-minute walk from the ocean, but it's not on the actual ocean.
And you don't have to walk, there's trams.
Yeah, they have trains that run around the property because it's huge. You have privileges to other properties, the other brands on the property. So they have trains, like real trains that are running around all the time, like real little trains. The front ends of them are train engines. So this is a nice room because it has pool view. So that's a kid's pool. And you know what? Parents with little kids. I'm not going to tell you what, but this property offers something really unique for parents with little ones. Okay, as young as 1. So when you're ready to book a family trip and you think your kid's too young, you're not going to have any fun, call us. I'll tell you why you should book with me here. So this is a pool view. We can try to request a pool view for you, but no view is guaranteed. Nice new furniture. That pulls out. That's to dry your swimsuits. Thank you, Sean and Amanda, KVS Travel. Give us a call. We look forward to helping you out with your vacation, honeymoon, family vacation, getaway, whatever. Thank you.